Put the foot down. Jump! Go! Ride him! There you go! Take up.
Your truck's on the chair. He probably wants to play with the truck and ride the horse.
It's over here.
Your truck's on the chair, buddy.
Jump up and down on the horsey.
Tell him go faster.
Say, get up, get up, get up. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, watch this.
Oh.
Jump up and down the horsey. Bring it down through here. His mouth. Look, he's singing. He's singing. More. Okay. Do this one. Look, look. You like it? Here. Put your feet in here. No, let me show you. Put them right there. Right there. Yeah. Now go up and down. Jump up and down. 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 Go. Go. Huh? Jennifer would ride her horse all day, every day. First thing she did in the morning is go get up on her horse and play horse all the time. But I think, look, I think it's